Hey everyone, I'm Justin Zacharouk with Blue West Realty. Welcome to The Legacy, a beautiful development built by Bosa. This corner unit offers 2 bedrooms, a large den, and over 1,200 square feet of living space. Enjoy panoramic views of mountains, city, and sunsets from the kitchen, living room, and dining area. The generous south-facing balcony provides ample space for entertaining. The unit also features 2 side-by-side parking stalls and 1 storage locker. Enjoy a range of amenities, including a clubhouse, exercise room, hot tub, meeting room, sauna, steam room, and Holdom SkyTrain station is right next door, 1 stop away from the new Brentwood shopping complex. If you're looking to call this place your new home, call me today to book your private showing.